PLC Network here with another unboxing, this time coming from the company Anker. This is from their Soundcore lineup of products, and this is something special here. This is their Model 0 Plus wireless Bluetooth smart speaker. And it's smart because it has a Google Assistant built inside. So if you're familiar with the Alexa and the Google Assistant lineup of speakers, and if you've ever felt that those aren't quite loud enough for you, they don't have as much range for you, then this might be an option for you because it has Google built into it and it's a much bigger and more powerful speaker, obviously. So it's going to sound better. But what we're going to do is we're going to pop this thing open. We're going to actually see what's inside of the box, see what it comes with. And then you'll go to plcnetwork.net and see what we have later on about this once we actually had time to test it out, because we're going to have a whole review written up for it. But for now, let's just take a look and see what's inside the box. What's really nice is this actually supports Dolby Audio, which hopefully means it's going to sound pretty darn cool, kind of like THX. But sometimes THX can be overrated, so we'll see. You got a little card here right on the top. It just kind of tells you, hey, thank you for buying this. It is the ultimate embodiment of our vision, taking you on a musical journey to captivate your senses with. You have a top piece here that just pops out and just secures the speaker inside. You have a little box of a few accessories. You have the power brick, as well as the adapter to go to the wall with. And that's it for accessories, real simple. The speaker itself is right here. And there you have it. It's definitely an artsy-fartsy design to this thing. I mean, it kind of looks like a half crescent moon sitting on its back with a little handle going between its two legs, or two ends, corners. And you have some buttons, it looks like here at the very top. You have volume up and volume down. It looks like they're touch control. They don't press in or anything like that. On the side, we have some additional buttons right here. We have a play button, it looks like, a Bluetooth button, a mute button for the microphone, as well as a power button for turning on the speaker with, which it should now be on. Might take a few seconds to boot up for the first time since it's a Google speaker. The back side of the speaker here has a 3.5 millimeter input in case you want to plug in any kind of wired device that doesn't support Bluetooth. You have the DC plug, so you can plug this into the wall to power it up with, and a reset button in case all hell breaks loose and you gotta reset it to factory settings. There it is.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. You can ask me questions and tell me to do things. To get started, download the Google Home app.
So, basically, it can be powered via the wall power, or it has a built-in battery, so you can take it with you on the go with its fancy little crescent moon handle. And that's it. It's pretty heavy, so hopefully it has some good drivers inside. It's hopefully going to sound really cool. But we'll find out more about that later on once we actually do our full review on it and actually have time to test it, of course. But that's it. This is the Anker Model 0 Plus Bluetooth smart speaker, wireless Bluetooth, or wired to wired devices, or also not wireless, plugged into the wall for constant power, so you can just have it hang out in your house and never have to worry about the battery dying. You can find out more about this later on at plcnetwork.net once we have the story finished and published. And of course, you can comment below if you have any comments yourself, and if you liked what you've seen, don't forget to subscribe. There's also a button down there. And as always, we thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next time. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, and or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.